officer, he has recovered the weapon of assault, that is one knife, one forest knife, that is koita, and one hammer which was used by this accused to assault both the victims. It has been recovered at that instance.
3 weapons.
3 weapons. Both the accused, they have been remanded to police custody for 8 days. Further investigation is in progress.
What property is attached usually or recovered?
Yeah. Cash of ₹45,000. Then coins, electronic items, that is TV, then 2 gas cylinders, 1 oven, then gold ornaments. In fact, the complainant had mentioned some bangles, but later on she found that the bangles were intact. So whatever gold ornaments were stolen, they have been recovered.
The entire property is recovered.
Entire property is recovered.
So what about this vehicle which was used in the...
Yes, we have recovered the vehicle.
Owner?
We have attacked the vehicle.
Which owner?
Yes, we have this identified the owner also. They are ascertaining. They are ascertaining whether the under what circumstances this vehicle was given to them. Now they claim that it was taken on rent-a-bike, okay, for sale.
Rent a car.
Rent-a-car. So we are ascertaining it.
Now this